Happy New Year from Vancouver Island Gutter. Hopefully you've heard that January is Customer Appreciation Month here at Vancouver Island Gutter. We have two fabulous contests that we're putting out there and we hope you enter. This first one is a new gutter installation. It's worth about $1,000. It's up to 100 feet of 5-inch K-style seamless gutter and 75 feet of downspout. All you have to do is like our Facebook page, like this post, and post a picture of your gutter situation, whatever it may be, sort of the worse the better, and then let us know in 50 words or less with your posting why you think you deserve to have a new gutter system. The draw will take place on January 31st, and we will let people know by our Facebook page and also on our website. Also, we'd like to spread the love around the island. So if you know someone who needs a new gutter system but isn't online or isn't able to enter, a family member or someone that you take care of or just care a lot about, please spread the love and please enter for them. We totally don't mind that. It is one entry per household, but we do want to make this contest available to anyone who could benefit from it. So we can't wait to see your postings. We can't wait to see your pictures. Thank you for engaging. Thank you so much for choosing Vancouver Island Gutter over the last year. We've had a wonderful first year of business here on the island and the Gulf Islands, and we look forward to many more. So thank you for spreading the word about us, for trusting us with your gutter and soffit issues. And yeah, we hope to see you around. Thank you so much, and we'll see you soon.